square. We have already picked the tools that we use in drawing the square. I will draw it, but can you tell me that this particular shape is square enough? No. So how do we know? How do we make it perfect square? I will click on the drawing. I will click on the drawing. When I click on the drawing, I will now go to the height and the width. That's the object size. So I will now make it the same size so that I will have a perfect square. I will just write 1. Here again, I'll write 1. Then I will click out. You see now it's perfect. So how do I color it? I will click on it. I'll now go to my color palette. Click on any color. Nice. So this particular color that we use now is for fill color. We have two colors, fill color and we have line color. So this fill color now is this color palette. Now if you notice, if I zoom, see this line is giving me black line. Now I want to color this my line to another color. It is called line color. So how do I color it? You see this place is the width of the color. If I don't want any outline color, I will say none. But if I want any color, I will just click on any one. Then I will now come to the symbol here. You see it's having the same symbol. This symbol and this symbol they are having the same symbol. So I will double click on it. So if I double click on it, then I will now choose any of the color that I want. If I want this color, okay. So it's changing now. So the line color is this, the width is this, while the color is inside here. The same way you can change the width from here too. So if you like, you can set the house to change. The next shapes that we want to draw, we are drawing this shapes. Rectangle. I will just draw it. A rectangle is supposed to have, let's say for example, 2 by 4. The width to be 2 and then the height to be 4. So you just come to your object size. You can put 2. Then you put 4. Then you drop your this thing. It's too big, so I can just reduce it. So if you are reducing anything, make sure you are reducing from edge so that your shape will be perfect. Don't reduce from this place. If you notice, when I reduce from here, it's not the shaping. This one is still smaller to this one. So I can just bring it down here and just drag. So this one, this is what we call rectangle. So like that, we have some other shapes under here. So that is where we see polygon, we see star, we see complex star, we see graph, we see basic shapes. So you can decide to choose polygon and draw it too. You can decide to choose cycle and draw it. So this one is not cycle enough, so you have to like change just a point 4. So these are the basic shapes you can draw. There is other shapes, but there are still other shapes that you need to curve, that you need to reshape before you can get that particular shape. Just for example, you are asked to curve. Let me do some curving for us so that you see it. If you want to curve it, I told us that if you want to curve, what tools do we use? Shape tools. Curve shape. You can easily press F10 to do it. So you can just click on the shape tools, then you right click on it, then you now say convert to curve. When you click on convert to curve, you can click on any part. When you double click on it, you can drag and curve. So it means that when you are bending another shapes from that shape. So in the sense that you can use square to form something like cup. I will just put my shape. I will now say convert to cup. Then under here I will highlight it and say delete. So now here it's curving. Then I want to make a point to come inside. So it's coming inside, but I want to make this edge to the curve. So I will now say curve again. So I will highlight it. I will now say delete. So as you can see now we are having a curve shape. So now I can decide to put something like this on top of it. Then if I color it to now look something blue. So I can decide to cover the objects. So this is just a simple drawing. You can equally enlarge it. You can enlarge the both sides as well.